Okay, Matt just threw it in. Ball is getting dribbled around here. Jonathan to Chris. David. Okay. St. Elliott. Okay. All right, Chris. That's it. Give him something to shoot at. Come on, Royston. Okay, back to David. Nice. Over there. Come on, Matt. It's yours, buddy. Come on, Andy. Back to Matt. Back to John. Over to Chris. Look at Elliott. That's it. Come on, Elliott. Shoot. Ah. Yeah! Way to go, Elliott! That is awesome. Okay, that's my sound.
Get it?
I got it.